What is going on, guys? It's Kevin here with ModMyMods, and I am joined here with the great Dwayne from Modders Inc. And what we are going to do for you guys is give you a PC. You have the possibility of winning this awesome custom-built ModMyMods computer that Be Quiet and Modders Inc. and ModMyMods paired together to actually give away. So, what you have to do is enter in on the Gleam website that's in the link below, and you might have to do a couple things like, like and share and subscribe and that type of thing, but everything that you do ends up getting you an entry into win this badass PC. So, what do you think, Dwayne?
I think it's great. I've been checking it out, looking at it, and noticing that everything is custom on this. I mean, you guys just didn't change some things, you changed everything. I mean, everything's been painted all the way down to the memory modules and stuff. I've actually been painted the same color. The cabling is just spectacular, and it's really an awesome build. I would be very proud to have this myself.
Oh, thanks.
But I'm guessing also anything that you see here that you can probably get off your guys' website as well.
Yeah, absolutely. Pretty much any of the water cooling parts that are inside here and inside of this computer you can find on ModMyMods.com. And you can also get the pins, the connectors, anything. Pretty much sleeving, fittings, tubing, fluid, whatever you want. We probably have it at ModMyMods. We even have the custom services like getting the paint, like you were saying. This is actually a custom paint job. So if you do win this, you'd have a custom paint job, custom wrap, custom cabled, customly built by us. Actually, it'd be pretty cool, huh? So all you got to do is enter in on that Gleam website below. And again, big thank you to ModMyMods, Modders Inc. and Be Quiet for helping us out here. Again,
thank you so much.
Couldn't have done it without you, so thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.